Do you notice how websites happen to have those little boxes that you need to tick and copy whatever they show you so that they can confirm that you aren't a robot? Well, we're sure you're familiar with them, and they are called Captchas. That's right. Now imagine that, and then imagine being able to earn just by typing those Captchas. Wouldn't that be so cool? It's making money in the easiest way possible. And as soon as we discovered this strategy, we just knew right away that we had to share it to you guys as soon as possible. Our strategy for today is 100% free. You don't need to pay anything to be able to start earning money because we're here to earn and not to spend. No investments, no advancements, nothing like that of the sort. So you don't need to worry about anything like that at all. You're going to know not one, not two, but 3 websites that will be paying you to do just that. And if you try all 3 websites out together, you're going to earn more than $25 for sure. These websites are supposed to be available worldwide, but if something does go wrong with where you're from, then let us know in the comments down below. You guys know that we only want to give you the best of the best, and that's why we hope that you all enjoyed today's video because it will definitely be a treat. Now, these websites might not make you a millionaire, but as always, it's a great way to make money on the side that could pay for your quick bills or fill you in for when you go short on cash. Imagine the life that you would be having when you're able to save up with the money that you're making on the side. If you're able to, you could go on vacations, eat fancy food, go shopping, anything you can ever wish for. As always, we're going to be walking you through the whole method today step by step so that you can come out successful just like I did. Make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video and let's jump right into it. So the first website is called TwoCaptcha, and to get to their website, you can just type in TwoCaptcha.com, and that should lead you to this page right here. So when you solve CAPTCHA, that's 5 cents. It's API available for most popular programming languages, and its average response time is less than 20 seconds. And when you work on captcha recognition, there's home data entry work, instant payments, and it's easy to start. So you can even choose from between the two. So the normal captchas cost 3 cents and the reCAPTCHAs would be at $1. So this is great because captchas are so easy to type in. You could be making a lot of money on the side. To the newcomers, where are y'all from? I would love to know. Comment it down below so I can use it as reference for my future videos as well. Now let's continue. Now remember that we are giving you guys the websites from the lowest paying websites to the highest paying ones. So this next one is higher paying compared to the first one. So if you want to get to the highest paying website, then I suggest that you stay until the end to find out what the highest paying website is. Next website is called MegaTypers, and to get to their website, you just need to go on MegaTypers.com, and this is what you should see next. Easy job, easy money. Earn typer credits worth over $200 every month. MegaTypers is a workforce management company that provides data entry services to private and governmental institutions. Our main goal is to support our clients' digitization requirements by converting scanned papers into editable digital documents. Our services also include image-to-text recognition, transcription from voice to text, and assisting the visually impaired to overcome internet's visual challenges. We're currently looking for typers from around the globe. All you need to have to work with us is a computer with an internet connection and the ability to type at least 10 words per minute. Our schedules are flexible. You can work at any hour that you want and for as long as you please. The quicker you type, the more typer credits, which you can exchange for a dollar currency, you earn. Now, MegaTypers is fantastic for mothers that stay at home, parents that need a second job, students who are trying to make a little money, people in between jobs. How much money you earn actually depends on the amount of work that you do. Our top typers earn between $100 typer credits and $250 typer credits each month. Our payment rates start from 45 cents typer credits for each 1,000 word images typed and can go as high up to $1.5 typer credits for each 1,000 words typed. As typer credits can be automatically exchanged for a dollar currency, we may pay through debit cards, bank checks, PayPal, Web Money, Perfect Money, Payza, and Western Union. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. Now, our last and highest paying website is called ColoToblo, and to get to their website, just type in ColoToblo.com. Now, to spell it out for you, that's KoloTibablo.com so that you won't get lost. And this is what you should see on your screen. Stable job for everyone, everywhere. This website claims to be stable. It's been up and running since 2007 and apparently has no plans of cutting it at that. It also claims to be accurate. You can track your entries and payments with their accurate statistics system. The website also promises liquidity. You can instantly withdraw earned money to different payment systems or send to another account. If you scroll down, there are some testimonials that can definitely reassure you that this website is perfect and reliable as all of our other websites. So make sure that you try our method out, because if you do all 3 together, so let's do a little rundown. First, we have TwoCaptcha.com, then we have MegaTypers.com, and then lastly, we have ColoToblo.com. Now, we can't promise you that you will get the promised amount if you only do 1 or 2 of these websites, but if you do all 3 of the websites, then we can assure you that you're definitely going to earn the $65 and even more. This is going to be the best method of your lives yet. So do it now and let us know how it goes in the comments down below. And that is basically it. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off, because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up